Yes. Doctors and clinicians use our AI software to screen, diagnose, treat, and then actively monitor sleep apnea and sleep problems.
Got it. And I don't know if it's possible. Maybe this is exponential ROI, but I'm curious if there's some measurement that you've used to say, hey, look, when you were doing this manually, it took X amount of time. With EnsoData, we've condensed that into Y.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Or it could be
yeah.
cost. I'm just curious around ROI, right? Where doctors, clinicians get excited and say, hey, we need to go with this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I think about the, return on investment from two angles. But I think one thing that can punctuate this is we started with a free trial model. In 2015, we were talking about machine learning and AI for sleep diagnostics. It was really early. And so to try to help evangelize the idea, we used a free trial model to just get it out there, beg people to try it, see it for themselves, get their hands on it, and choose for themselves if it was a worthwhile tool to continue using. So we had to really drill into the ROI to, be able to articulate that. Ideally, right, we are saving clinicians time. So on every sleep study that might otherwise take 1 or 2 hours, we were seeing 60 to 75% reduction in the time that was required to get to that ultimate diagnostic answer. At the same time, if you save clinicians time, they don't just go home and drink more coffee, right? They're here to make an impact on the community. So try to see more patients. With in-clinic testing, that requires big investment, more infrastructure, more rooms to be able to offer that testing. But with the advent of home testing, it doesn't. You can just see more patients and, and be able to achieve that. So from a return on investment perspective, that would mean higher margins. Each sleep study is more efficient from the clinician time that's required to go into it. And at the same time, clinicians are seeing more patients. So more revenue and higher margins is a double whammy that CFOs love to see. And we would say you should see that or get rid of us in 30 days.